Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Completely addicted to Floetrol swipes and hoping I know where I put that down. Yes, found it. There's my little Floetrol container. Remove that. I'm going to use some black. It's a 16 by 20 inch black canvas. And I'm very interested in... Wow, that's weird. Evidently I recycled a cap from a white bottle onto a black one. Alright, so I'm going to mess that around a little bit because I want some organic shape with my black. I might want some of that across the end too. And I think I can just steal some paint and add it right up there. This is a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, which I love to use. It's one of like 6 I love to use. This is my number 1. It's available on the Amazon link, where if you shop, it's at no other cost to you, and it helps me out. And other ways to help me out are watching the videos longer and giving me a thumbs up, please. My Amazon link is a great place to find tools, though. And my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, are both there. Now, good thing it's not a day that'll dry paint and I'm no longer outside working in the sun or under the canopy. I was never really working in the sun. I was always under the canopy. So, this is a Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with my regular paint pouring recipe in it. And I'm just going to continue to enjoy adding colors where I want to before swiping. Who knows how much swiping I'm going to do? I think I need to have that go all the way up to that edge. That was the Hot Orchid from Color Art. I want some orange. Actually, I want some white. This has got golden iridescent pearl fine in it to make it shimmer. And this is the golden iridescent pearl fine. And I am just having a ball. This is some paint you can't get a hold of anymore. It's mysterious. It's mysteriously vanished. Hopefully that's going to be okay. I have got some color shifting green from Folk Art, which I hope is going to be okay there. I think I want some of this lighter version, which just means I added yellow to it. I'm going to give myself some purple flash from Folk Art. And I'm craving some Venetian blue. Yes, there it is. It's looking pretty good from this angle. We shall see what happens when I swipe. Let's get some of this stuff out of my way. Let's put some really dark orange in there. Let's make sure we like how it looks. As long as I like the colors, I think I'll be okay. Down here wants something. I seem to be stuck in a little bit of a rut and using similar colors all the time, but they are the colors that I love. So let's grab the Floetrol, which I stirred earlier, I thought, but if I didn't, let's do it again just to be sure. Put some of that right into my dish, like so. I'm really tempted to grab the largest swipe sheet. Make sure, just one time I want to go right up the middle. Or some variation on that theme. I'm going to use all those colors on the end. And I'm going to probably put some of them right back down there again. So, do I like that? I'm not sure yet. Put the rest of my colors on the edge. Grab my lucky, do I have it? Oh, did I move it? There it is. There's my lucky swipe card right here. Whoop, wrong side. There's one side with a hole because it's a tag from clothing. I'm going to go right down the edge and then pull it right over. Use the paint on the card to encourage the paint that's above it, that's sliding down, to do so more so. Do so more so? Yes. Alright, so that's pretty cool and I'm liking all of that. The black gaps are a little weird, but that's okay, I'll get used to it. So I want to do a wavy swipe, but this is how I want to start this. And that's pretty cool, I like it. I like my squiggly lines, what can I say? I dip my card in with some Floetrol, see if I can encourage this area to be less outstanding. I think I'm going to do a little bit of this, which is just the swipe card shuffle. How much of it I want to do is another question. Questions. I have questions. Okay, let's get rid of this card. So, I don't know if I want to wave up the middle, but if I did want to do that, I think I would want to do it with either a smaller card. So let's do that. Let's find a smaller card, or even one with a rounded end, which I happen to have right here. Take that paint, let it go where it wants to cover my edges. Very little paint wasted here. I don't pour paint off for the most part. I pour paint out of bottles. Now if that makes cells, and it should, I may still do the basting brush thing, because it looks like it's making some cells. I kind of like this better than I like that though. Oh well, live and learn. So let's go down the center. Oh, maybe not. Oh, where's my basting brush that I want to use? There we go. That'll work. That'll work. You notice these all have all the tines except for one row left, and then I remove the alternative ones. So I'm trying to go outside the initial line because I like the way that looks. And I may go back and continue. Because I can. The name of my first book, it's on the Amazon link next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. I think I might do all of this. But I'm going to have to stop and have a look. See how I feel about that. I kind of missed the white in the middle. but I think I am going to keep going. It's different, but it's kind of cool. I definitely like the middle less than I like the edges, which to me means it's time to do something about that. I want some more of that purple flash right up there. And I think I want some turquoise if I have it. Show yourself, turquoise. Right there. So I'm going to take my swipe card, my little one. Am I? Is it my little one I want? Ah. I kind of want some black. No, I'm going with the wide way. Really? I deserve that. For being so presumptuous. Let's see if I can camouflage it a little bit. I think it'll be alright. Got some beautiful cells. Definitely camouflage it with a little bit of basting brush. And I like that. It's like a curtain. A sheer curtain. Neat. I want a little more gold right in there so there's less difference from each side. That's pretty sweet. Just using the side of my tines to fill in a little bit. Every time I do this, I get more ideas about what I'd like to do the next time. Kind of like the green on either side, and I'd like some of it in the middle. And I'm looking right at it. Give it a shot. Just bring it back to where it should be, basically. And I love that black up there with the orange, so I'll have to remember that for another time. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. I'm definitely craving some turquoise right there, which may or may not be a good thing. But in this case, I think it didn't hurt anything. Do I want any purple anywhere? I kind of do. That's nice, you can sort of add in whatever you want, wherever you want to, just by putting a little line across and then dragging your basting brush. Move my stuff out of the way. Kind of want a little bit more white over here. White pearl at least. So both sides look similar to each other. Do I have enough? Following the patterns. That's I want to say that's pretty sexy is what I want to say, but it might be a bad thing. I'm gonna do it. I keep thinking I want something dark in the center, and I do. Will it come out? No. Okay, something less dark in the center. Let's use some of that Venetian blue if I can lay my hands on it. Hope this works. I'm going to dip my tines of my I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and my email address is below the link tree. The link tree is underneath Show More under the video, or it's exposed. Just click it. You'll find my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes, and more. For those of you who might want to shop, my Fine Art America at pixels.com, which is also there on the link tree, so it's sort of redundant. But there's like 1,400 items there. Every time I do this, I get more ideas about I'm getting a water impression. So, I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Ask you guys to give me a thumbs up. Tell you that if you watch the videos longer, you're a big assistance to me, and I really appreciate that. Shopping my Amazon link helps me buy art supplies. Donating to PayPal or Patreon helps me make more videos. And if you do make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you will be automatically included in the monthly drawing that usually has paintings and occasionally has a book. Sometimes two. I'm looking for things that stick out like a sore thumb. That's the one right here. I like some of the little gaps, but then my OCD kicks in and I have to fill them. But the other ones are okay. I don't mind those. So I love you guys. There's over 91,000 of you. Please check out the almost 1,800 videos I have on my all playlist, created playlist that you can find by going to my YouTube channel. And they are organized by the 100 and also by topic and genre. If you are looking for my books, they're volumes 1 and 2. They're called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And as I said, they are on the link tree, on the Amazon link on the link tree, along with all kinds of other great stuff. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted all the time. I really appreciate that. And thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. If you are looking for Pinterest, Instagram, or Twitter links, Pinterest is where I post my newest work most days when I'm working, and you can find it on the link tree. If you are looking at pixels.com or Fine Art America, there's over 1,400 items there, and if you find something that you would like me to add to merchandise available or reproduction available there, please let me know. Same thing for Teespring clothing below the video. All over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Pretty cool. And I've got a couple pair of those leggings, and they're extremely high quality and very, very comfortable. Yeah, it's the problem with the with the little black gaps. So you guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to try and zoom in. I'm sorry about the light. Someday my lighting will come. I don't know what to do. But I will tell you one more time that you can ask me questions and look for my paint pouring recipe below the video. And don't forget my email address is below the link tree. Should you be interested in purchasing a painting, you just need the title or the hashtag, the number that goes with the video you watched. Or if you're watching an exhibition video, the exhibition video title and the time you saw what you're interested in. And please, by all means, make an inquiry. The community board has tomorrow's video on my YouTube channel, and I think I've covered